Croissant. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Jace, and I'll be taking you on some adventures along with my dog Sativa. If you love nature, then come join us. We'll be doing some camping, cooking, fishing, and boondocking amongst other things. Because taking some time for your physical and mental health should always be a priority before it's no longer an option. And remember to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to explore together. Hey, how's it going? Good morning, everybody. It's another beautiful day. We are on our way to REI Bike Shop, which, contrary to the name, it's not just the bike shop. We are gonna go renew our National Park Pass. And of course, our trip would not be complete without our weekly croissant. Breaking my own rules here about not eating in my car. But we are kind of on a tight schedule today. It's a lot to see. We are on our way to San Diego. Whoa, some cars flipped upside down on the opposite side of the road. Firefighters are having a hard time getting there, and paramedics, just because the traffic is completely at a dead stop. But anyway, wow, that is crazy. Anyway, we are on our way to San Diego. We're gonna go check out a couple of hiking trails, some hidden caves over by the sea, and probably stay the night out there. If we don't continue to see it, or if we can't finish everything up, I think we're just gonna boondock somewhere and wake up, finish the trip, or check out the rest of the stuff we need to, and head home. Yo, we are officially here. We just gotta get this lady down. So let's go take a look. I think the place was relatively easy to find. Not sure if this is the way, but we're gonna go take a look anyway. Yeah, how's it going? Good. By any chance, do you know if this is the way where I can get down to the caves?
Sure,
Yeah.
I apologize. I know there's a lot of different sites that tell you how to get to it, but yeah, I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah, good. Thank you. I appreciate it.
No worries. You have a good one.
You too. So this is the top of the cave that we want to get into. So we're gonna go and try and figure out how we're gonna do that. But the top of it is completely closed off. So I think we're gonna go ahead and walk down that ledge over there, and I think there should be a rope on the other side. I was reading a couple of forums before I came out here today, but you know, reading can only get you so far until you're actually out here looking around, trying to figure the place out. So I know I say this about every place I go that you guys have seen with me, but it is absolutely beautiful here. shut up in my videos, but I figure we can all kind of just enjoy the sound of the waves.
What you got? The Mini 3?
Yeah.
How you like it?
So far I love it, man.
How is the display? I have never seen one. Is it good?
Oh yeah, it's great.
Is this better?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you turn it on?
Yeah.
I have never seen one. I have the original Mini 2.
Yo, just met a fellow drone flyer. You could see him right there. Really cool dude. His name is Joe. I was told once you get into the droning thing, it's a nice little community, and I gotta say, so far it's true. We got to chatting, talking about a few places I can go around here, so I'm definitely gonna take his advice. But great insight. So if you're watching this, man, thank you for the advice. All right, so we're back at the car, just taking a break at the moment with this lady. But the actual sea caves are rarely accessible. Hold on. So the sea caves are rarely accessible due to the actual tide flooding them. So it's really hard to find negative tide. Right now, the lowest tide isn't going to be until 1 a.m. and that's going to be a 0 point something tide. So we're not going to see any kind of negative tide anytime soon. But what we can do, and what I'm going to do, is there's an opening at the top of this cave, and I'm going to fly my drone down there, get some kind of aerial shot, and then fly back up. So let's go take a look at that now. So we got that that drone shot of the cave, and I gotta say, I am stoked. Yeah, the tide was incredibly high, and there's no way we're gonna get in there today. Maybe not even this month. The accessibility to the caves is a rarity. Yeah, it's just hard. Not only does it have to be low tide, it actually has to be in negative tide in order to go down there. So the main place I wanted to get to, there was absolutely no way to get in there today. I figured like if there's a route that's closed, maybe I can sneak through another one because they said there was like two and there's one through another cave, yada yada yada. But it was just impossible to get to because of the tide. There's no way that I'd be able to do it. But we were able to get into the main cave through the top access point, and man, that was great. I mean, I know it's not much to look at, but nonetheless, I think it's beautiful in there. So I'm pretty satisfied with the shot. I did lose a little bit of time, but I think we're still within the time limit for us to go catch a really good hike around here. So I'm gonna open up my all trails and head over to I don't remember the name right now, but I know there's like 2 or 3 really good trails around here. So we are gonna map it out, take the hike, and maybe I can get a couple more shots out there. But without further ado, let's get out of here. Well, that pretty much does it for us today, guys. I appreciate you coming along for the ride. And remember to pay attention to your physical and above all your mental health. With that being said, stay wild.